In this section, we're posting to the general ledger from the general journal. And to begin with, we're going to open a new page for the ledger account for supplies-office. And its account number is 1145. So it would go right here in our ledger. And to create a new page, we put in the account name. And then we put the account number, which is 1145. And then it tells us that the balance for October 1st of the current year. So we'll put in October 1st, 2014. And then we put the word balance, a check mark because there is no post reference. And then the normal balance for supplies office would be a debit, and it is $3,824. And our first step is complete. For the second step, it says we're going to post the October 19th general debit entry of the cash payments journal. Now we're going to go back to our 11-1 and find our cash payments journal, which is right here. And we're posting the entry on the 19th, which is to supplies office for $69.60. So we come here to supplies office. We put in the date, the 19th. This is from the cash payments journal. So we put in CP and then the page number 15. And it was a debit of $69.60. We currently have a debit balance. So we'll add these two numbers together. And I come up with $3,893.60 as our current balance. And then the number 1145, we take that back to our cash payments journal and put that in the post reference column. That completes step 2. Step 3 says to post the October 12th general journal entry to the appropriate general ledger accounts. So here is our general journal, and we have October 12th. So first we have sales returns and allowances. Find that account. We put in the date, the 12th, and this is from the General Journal, page 11, and it is a debit of $52, and our current balance is $903, so that gives us a new balance of $955. This is account number 4130, so we come back here and put in 4130. We also have one to sales tax payable, and that one is for $3.12 debit. Put in the date, the 12th, General Journal, page 11. Debit of $3.12. Now our balance is a credit right now. So we're going to take that balance, $14.10, and subtract $3.12. And that gives us $14.06.88. That's account number 2140. We come back to the general journal and record that one. Now also here in the general journal, the last part of October 12th, we should already have a number posted below this to David Bishop, but we need to post the accounts receivable portion. So we're going to go to our accounts receivable in our general ledger, put in the date, the 12th, general journal page 11, and this is a credit of $55.12. We have a debit balance, so that means we have to subtract these two. Which gives me $1,284.73. That's account 1130. So we'll come back here, and the 1130 goes on the top half of that split reference, and your bottom half should already be filled in from our previous lesson. Okay, that takes care of the entries on the 12th. Next it says to post the October 26th general journal entry. So that's the one right here. First we have supplies office. So we'll put in the date, the 26th, general journal page 11, and it is a debit of $2,544. We have a debit and a debit, so we'll add those together. And that gives me $6,437.60. Then we take that account number 1145 and put that in the general journal. Okay, now we have another split one here. You should already have posted to electrographic supply, but we need to post to the accounts payable portion. So we need to go to accounts payable here in our ledger, and we'll put in the date, the 26th, general journal page 11, and this is a credit of $2,544. We currently have a credit balance, so that means we'll add these two values together. And that gives me $5,061.80. Then we take that account number 2110 and we record it on the top half of our split cell. Okay, we have one to post for the 28th here as well. Now the top part here is a split one. We should already have this posted to art and things. And so we have to post to the accounts payable. Put in the date, the 28th, general journal, page 11. And this is a debit of $125. Our current balance is a credit, so we're going to subtract $125, and my new balance is $4,936.80. We take that account number 2110 and record that on the top half of our split reference. The bottom was already posted to art and things. Now the debit or the credit part of this entry is to purchases, returns, and allowances. So we'll go to that account in our ledger, put in the date, the 28th, general journal, page 11, and a credit of $125. Our current balance is a credit, so we're going to add those numbers together. And I have $2,026.35. That's account 5130. We go back to our general journal and write that account number in. You are now ready to do the on your own